Extreme frugal living tips to try today. Extreme frugality is a style of living that enables people to cut down their expenses to the maximum level, saving some money for rainy days. I have occasionally mentioned in my videos that being frugal doesn't mean stingy. Frugal people are more cautious about spending their valuable money, knowing that a penny saved is a penny earned. I will share with you some extreme frugal living tips to follow. Make sure to stick till the end of this video as we have a lot to cover. Grow your own fruits and vegetables. Growing your own fruits and vegetables is not just for the frugal but for any health-conscious person who wants to switch to organic food. There's nothing better than farm-fresh tomatoes, berries, peppers, lemons, oranges, and other fruits and vegetables. They will be free of artificial fertilizers, pesticide sprays, and other artificial ripening systems. Moreover, this will give you a sense of accomplishment. You may even go one step further and sell your products online. What about pickling your vegetables or making tomato puree and giving it to your friends? I am sure they will appreciate your beautiful gesture. Raise your own farm animals. Every frugal person should love to have chicken farms and raise hens for eggs. I know it can be a little messy as well as hectic, but once you become used to eating fresh, this extra burden will become a normal routine. Mark my words, it will really cut down on your budget and enable you to save some every month. Additionally, it's an exciting hobby and keeps you engaged in a healthy, energetic activity. Once you start raising your animals, many others will follow your trail. Apart from saving money, raising animals is a good physical activity. It will keep your body in proper shape and won't let you gain extra weight. Do not use credit cards. Credit cards compel us to spend more than our budget allows. When I have those fancy-looking credit cards in my wallet and am aware that there isn't much money in my checking account, I find it irresistible to use them. Frugal people pay the bill in cash and won't keep their credit cards. Secondly, credit card payments are a hassle. If for any reason you are late, then you will have to bear the loss of late payment and other taxes. That's why frugal people do not put themselves into such trouble. Write down every expense in your diary. Write down every time you make any purchases, whether it is just one pack of pasta you have purchased or the payment of your utility bills. It will give you an update on your daily expenses but also remind you to live beyond your means. That daily journal helps design your budget for the forthcoming months. Make sure to turn off lights and appliances at night. Before going to bed, take a look around your house. Are there any fans or electric gadgets or lights on? Make it a habit to turn off extra lights, fans, TVs, and electric appliances before you sleep. It not only saves your money but also prevents short circuits or other mishaps. Even if your electric appliances are still plugged in, they are still consuming electricity. Use solar panels. The world is converting to solar panels. Why not frugal people fix one in their homes? It's not a bad idea. If there is an average amount of sun in your area, then think about installing solar panels. They will definitely reduce or eliminate your electricity bill, saving you a huge amount of money. Solar panels will continue to draw energy even in overcast conditions, even though sunny days will provide more solar energy. Diffused or indirect sunlight will nonetheless contribute to illuminating your property. On cloudy days, 10 to 20% of the power generated on sunny days is typically produced. This means your solar panels will provide you with energy even if it's cloudy. Don't throw away any food. Throwing food is condemnable, in my opinion. Frugal people will never waste any food. Firstly, they cook food as per requirement, and if there is any leftover, they refrigerate it, and the next day, they prepare another meal with it. In this manner, food is consumed rather than remaining in the refrigerator's back until it turns moldy. Children are silent learners, and if they observe their parents doing something good, they will definitely follow it. We have reached half the video and would take a moment to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you find it helpful. They don't shampoo their hair every day. Overwashing your hair can remove the sebum your scalp generates, which is necessary for strong, glossy hair. Washing your hair is okay, though, once it feels dirty to the touch. Frugal people save their toiletries and don't pick up very costly hair care products. Many homemade remedies can nourish your hair and skin better than factory-produced treatments. They not only make you look beautiful, but they also save you a lot of money. Giving gifts in a thrifty way. For any reason or occasion, one has to exchange gifts, but the cost doesn't have to matter when you are giving gifts to your loved ones. When frugal people want to give gifts, they want to buy something beneficial and practical instead of something expensive but less advantageous. What about a freshly baked cake or lasagna on your friend's birthday along with her favorite kitchen item? Of course, it is the thoughts and love that count, not the money. Go meatless twice a week. Promise yourself that you will go meatless at least twice a week. Make this a rule, discuss it with your family, and try to make meatless days fun. Explore vegetarian dishes such as warm lentil soups, chickpea salads, potato cutlets, and much more. Frugal people are smart household managers. They know how to design daily meals and execute the plans. You might need to be a little tricky with your little ones since they might insist on having their favorite steak or chicken wings for dinner. If they are a bit insusceptible to this idea, try and find some hearty meals to bring them to vegetables. Switch to LED bulbs. If you use an incandescent bulb in your house, it means most of your earnings are spent on electricity. It is not a bad investment. I hope all frugal people will replace normal bulbs with LEDs and save money. Stop using paper towels. Don't throw away your old towels, clothes, bed sheets, or tablecloths. Cut them to the required size and use them to wipe kitchen cabinets and closets. With paper towels, you spend a lot of money every week, but with smart planning, the alternative can be arranged. Hang out your laundry in the open air. One of your home's greatest energy consumers is the dryer. If you want to save some energy, hang your clothes on your washing lines in the open air. You can use drying rackets and retractable clotheslines if you have a congested laundry area. Are you willing to live frugally to the hilt? Frugal living is the most needed thing in the modern age. Yet, it is a wonderful instrument to help you alter your life and achieve financial goals you never thought were attainable. Which money-saving tip did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.